Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to climb Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell completely free on the Epic Games Store. Follow these steps and make sure you climb it before the offer expires. Open the Epic Games Launcher. If it doesn't have Epic Games Launcher, then search Epic Games Launcher in Chrome and check the official site. Select the download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, install the Epic Games Launcher. After the installation done, open it. In search store, you need to type Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell. And as you can see, it's free right now. Sales ends in 12/19/2025. Select the get option. Select the place order option. Once it complete, select the view in library option. The game will permanently added to our Epic Games library forever. Even after the offer ends, it stays yours. As you can see, click on the install option and select the location where you want to install and select install. Select the yes option. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this.